Mini Lessons with Ms. H, and today we're doing Justin and Danny. All right, spade strategy review. So, we always have to follow this routine, right? I am being repetitive. That means I'm repeating myself every time we see this video because when you get to the third grade, your third grade teachers will expect you to already know how to do this without them having to teach you. So they will help you and remind you how to do it, but they're not going to teach you like Ms. Hernandez is teaching you every single time. So first we survey the text, then we write our prediction, then we annotate the text. After we annotate the text, we dissect the questions, and then we use text evidence to support our answers. So first thing I'm going to do is write my name and date. I'm not going to do it on this paper, but that's what you should do, okay? Write your name and today's date. After that, we're going to survey the text. Title. This is an illustration. Now I'm going to write my prediction. Okay, you have 1 minute to write your own prediction. Ready, set, go. All right, so Justin and Danny, I see a baby. The baby looks like it's eating. I predict this text will be about a baby and his brother. All right, so we surveyed the text, we wrote our prediction. Now we're going to annotate the text as we read. Justin and Danny, those are two characters, right? Justin has a new baby brother. Uh-oh. His name is Danny. Danny came home from the hospital last week. Setting. At first, Justin was happy to see Danny. Uh-oh. First, that's telling us sequence. That's a sequence word. It's telling us the steps of something. Justin was happy to see Danny. Then Danny started to cry. This is the second thing Danny did. He started to cry. Is this a good thing or a bad thing when a baby cries? It's a problem. He wiggled and squirmed and screamed until his face turned red. Oh my goodness, I feel bad for Danny for crying so much. Maybe he was hungry. Justin wasn't sure what to do. He tried making funny faces. He even tried singing to Danny, but Danny just cried harder. Finally, probably a solution, right? Finally, Mom let Justin give his new brother a bottle of milk. This made Danny stop crying and smile at his big brother's solution. All right, so we have our character, setting, problem, and solution. Excellent. So, number 4. These two you're going to do by yourself. Ms. Hernandez is going to dissect the first one for you. And you have to go back in the story and underline where you got your answer from. Which of these things made the baby feel better? So, they want a key detail. When the baby felt better, what happened? solved the problem. So something that solved the problem, because what was the problem? Yes, the baby was crying. So you have 1 minute to pick an answer. Ready, set, go. Number 5. The story says that Justin, so which of these words would we underline for dissecting? Right? Think. There's one word that's very important in this question, and it tells you who the question is asking about. All right? A, Justin made funny faces. B, Justin started to cry. C, Justin screamed until his face turned red. Or D, Justin wiggled and squirmed. So now you have 1 minute to answer this question and go back in the story and find where you got the answer. All right, so now Ms. Hernandez is going to review, and my expectation is that you follow along. Which of these things made the baby feel better? Smiling at his brother, meeting Justin, coming home from the hospital, or drinking a bottle of milk. Finally, Mom let Justin give his new brother a bottle of milk. This made Danny stop crying and smile at his big brother. So this is for number 4. So this is what I mean by going back in the story and putting where you got your answer. That's for question number 4. All right, so here the answer should have been drinking a bottle of milk. If you got that right, put a check mark. If you didn't, just circle the correct answer. All right? And think about why you didn't go back in the story and find the answer. All right? Number 5. The story says that Justin made funny faces, started to cry, screamed until his face turned red, wiggled and squirmed. So first, this means you have to go back in the text. And who are they asking you about? Justin. Something Justin did. An action he took. So Justin made funny faces, he started to cry, screamed until his face turned red, wiggled and squirmed. So this is important for you to go back because Justin is the big brother, not the baby brother. And we know that, right here, we know that at first Justin was happy to see Danny. Then Danny started to cry. He wiggled and squirmed and screamed until his face turned red. So Justin wasn't sure what to do. He tried making funny faces. That's it. That's what you should have written. And that's exactly how you should have done it. All right, so I'm going to give you 1 minute to annotate. And my expectation is when you take a picture of this and upload it to your portfolio, it shows that you followed along with this video. All right, 1 minute. Awesome. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I hope to see you soon. Until next time, bye.